Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Muhammad Saqib and you are watching Saqib Tech. Friends, today I have this automatic gas stove of national company and it is able to use on cylinder gas or LPG gas. And if your gas stove looks like same that and you want to use it on natural gas now, then you have to convert it. And if you use it on natural gas without converting, so you will get very little flame like this. And right now I have turned it from natural gas pipe, and you can see that its flame is very low. That's why when you use it on natural gas you must have to convert it. And it's very easy. I will show you that how you convert your gas stove from LPG gas to natural gas. And for that you have to take off its burner and now turn it upside down. And here are the things you need to do this. Number one, nose plier, and number two, a spanner of 8 and 9 number, and number three, a needle looks like that, and even a screw look like this. And at the last is very important. You need four new nozzles. It's called natural gas nozzles for automatic gas stove. And every nozzle have its own number. Two nozzles have zero point 0.7 number, and these two nozzles have same hole, and its hole is a little bit small. And these two nozzles have 1.4 number, and you can see this its hole is bigger than zero point 0.7 number, and its hole is the other side of nozzles. These zero point 0.7 number have their hole the other side of nozzle, and these two nozzles 1.4 number its hole is there start of the nozzle, and the sides hole are for air mixing. And I compare both nozzles 1.4 number and zero point 0.7 number. You can see a little difference between their holes. 1.4 number nozzle is with big hole, and zero point 0.7 number nozzle with small size of hole. And take care of before you put them back in your gas stove. These four nozzles are two pair. Zero point 0.7 with 1.4 is one pair for one side of your gas stove, and 1.4 with zero point 0.7 is the another pair for second side of your gas stove. And now remove burner to changing the nozzles, and for that pull this pin, and burner is a spare from gas stove. And after that, with the help of a spinner of 8 number, open this nozzle from right side. First you open this nozzle which is put on right side of auto unit. And when you open it, look it in its hole. Its nozzle is for LPG gas stove, and its hole is very small. And now open the second nozzle from unit, same like that. And when you open both nozzles, now these two nozzles are for LPG gas stove. Please save them at your home. And now put back the two nozzles which use for natural gas. And when you put back natural gas nozzles, always zero point 0.7 number nozzle is put on this side, it means left side of unit, and 1.4 number nozzle is always put on right side of unit, this side is right side. And please remember, the white tape is must be used on new nozzles. It is very important. If you don't put the white tape, then gas leakage chances is very high. And when you use white tape on new nozzle, please remember 1.4 number nozzle will always take the right on unit, and this side is right side of unit. And when you fix it, please tight it from your hands, just same like this. And when you use a spanner, please please don't make a full tight, just tight it from your one finger. And after that, zero point 0.7 number nozzle is always take left. And please, I tell you again that white tape is very must be used on new nozzle. And when you put white tape on new nozzle, please put back left side of unit, it's 0 0.7 number nozzle. And again, when you put it back, first you tight it from your fingers, and then use a spanner. And I will show you again that you will tight it with your one finger only, not with your full hand. And when you fix its both nozzles on the unit, then you put back its burner. First you put it back on both nozzles, then you will fix in the back of your gas stove, just same like that. You put it first on both nozzles. And now put back this pin in burner. And from here, uh, open the holes, side holes of burner from here, same like that. Both sides you open the all holes from burner. And now I will turn it on from natural gas pipeline. This burner I will convert it from LPG to natural gas, and now I will turn it on, and you will see this flame is better and very high as compared to this side of burner. And now you will see it that right side of this stove is without converting, and this side is it means this left side is after converting from LPG to natural gas. And now friends, this side is converted from propane gas to natural gas, and converting for other side. Please repeat this whole procedure for this side. Just same like that, open these two nozzles and put back here two new nozzles. And at this time you don't need to remove its burner. Just open these two nozzles from here with the help of spanner, and just put it back to new nozzles with 1.4 and 0.7. 1.4 is on right side and 0.7 is on left side. And please put it white tape on new nozzles and put back on unit. And when you put back new nozzles on unit, it is completely converted on natural gas. Now you can use it on natural gas pipeline properly. It is completely done. And at the last friends, I hope you really enjoy this video. If you really like this video, then please share my video, and request to all my new audience, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. You will be notified then I upload my new video. Inshallah, I will meet you in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.